A while back, I bought a really old cookbook. One of the recipes that just really caught my attention, and I even mentioned it in a prior video and asked if anybody would be interested in that, and there was interest, and that is coffee jelly. And I had to think about that for a minute. Coffee jelly. Okay, what are you going to do with that? Well, there's some people out there that just really love their coffee. And this is going to be like having strong, sweet coffee on your toast or whatever. But it also got me thinking, how could I use it in a recipe? So I am going to make the coffee jelly today, and then in a future video, I hope to show how I would use it for an idea of how you can use this coffee jelly. And I'm also going to be testing out these ForJars Canning Lids. This is the lids and rings. And I have never used these before, so we're gonna see how they work today. But these are the ForJars Canning Lids and bands. And that's what the lid looks like. Here's what the underneath and the sealant. They do have the pop. It appears there's a wide enough ring of sealant on it, which is always a concern because some of the ones I've seen the last few years, the sealant has gotten narrower and narrower. Now it doesn't feel super heavy, but it does have a wide rim of sealant. I don't see any gaps in it, so that should work. And the ring is a ring. So let's get to work making coffee jelly, and then we're gonna see how these ForJars canning lids do, and I will let you know. Take my hot jars out of the canner. And let's get them filled. I'm doing the exact same thing we did the first time. I'm going to fill each hot jar to 1/4 inch headspace. Wipe the rim and the threads just to be on the safe side. But most, I don't think I got anything on there, but I'm still going to wipe them. Put a fresh new lid. I'm really pleased with how the ForJars lids have done. Fingertip tight. And I'm going to put this in the canner. I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest of the jars, and then I'll bring you back after we process. I finished reprocessing these last night, and I let them sit overnight, so they are ready to check them out. And I'm going to tell you, it looks like everything has sealed, but we're going to check it out. So there's one. Two. And if you're not familiar with this, I lift it up by the very edge of the metal lid. Now I'm always careful just in case it falls, but so far I have had 100% with these lids. That one. Now, because I reprocessed this, it took another 4 teaspoons of the pectin. It was crazy. I kept adding it and I kept boiling it so that I could get it thick. And we'll find out how it did. But every one of these sealed well. So I'm going to tell you that I'm very happy with my experience with the ForJars lids. I've had some rings that don't get rusty but kind of dull looking. These did not. They look just like they did when I took them out of the box. So again, 100% seal rate. And would I use these again? Yes, I would. Now, I'm going to do a giveaway for gift certificates for ForJars lids. And we will be giving away 2 $25 gift certificates for ForJars products. God bless, and we'll talk soon.